Here we'll show you how to import global class from another project. Now, this is great. Let's say if you've styled something and you really like the styling and you just want to import it into another project from one project, then this is the video for you. I'm going to create a very simple use case here for you to explain this. And we'll call this one GC, which means global class button. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag a button here, and we'll make this relatively big, and I'm going to modify some styling here. So what I'm going to do is by default I'm going to give it a color pink, and when it's hovered I'm going to give it color, let's say green, and then when it's clicked I'm going to give it color dark blue. So if I click save, preview this, you can see it's pink. As I hover over it changes to green, but if I click it, it turns into dark blue. I'll do it again. It's pink. I hover over it, it's green. I click it, it's purple or dark blue. Now, what I'd like to do is just simply save this class and then import it into another project. How do I do that? Well, first thing you need to do is you need to click over here and click on this drop down and then enter the name of the class. So I'm going to say my button class, for example, and I'll say save global. Now this has been saved, and I can click save, and then I can open a brand new project. Now new project, I'm going to call this test, let's go, and I'm going to grab a button. Alright, so now this has got the class of this relevant project, but now I want to import it. So what you do is you click on project, you click on style, and you click import style. Now this was the project, the GC button, where we just created that styling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose it and I'm going to import the style. Nothing has really happened, but if I click on the styling and I click on this drop down here, you can see that my button class is now available. And if I choose it, voila, look at that. Click save, click preview, same thing. Okay, now no difference. Boom, boom, boom. Everything has now been imported from that relevant project, and you can do that for any element, and it's a really cool functionality. Keep it very, very simple. You save it as a class and then you just import it into another project like this.